This old SUV overheated and was leaking coolant. The customer wants to know if it's worth fixing. Let's find out. Fire it up! Well, the best way to find a coolant leak is to pressurize the system. Let's get this started. Right, first things first, we got to remove the cap off the reservoir. Wait till the vehicle's cold before we do this. There could be pressure in the system. All right, we're going to put a adapter on here. This is going to allow us to put our pressurizing tool on there. Now, this is our cap. It notes that the system is 15 psi. So we are going to pressurize our system up to 15 psi, or try to. Now I can hear leaking happening, and we can see the pressure bleeding off. So I'm not even able to get it to 15 pounds. If you look very closely, you can see that we have some bubbling happening right there at the lower intake gasket. So we're going to start by replacing the lower intake gasket, and hopefully that's going to resolve this this coolant leak / overheating issue. There's a 10 mil. Hiding. It's hiding under here. It's down here. It's hiding. There it is. There's one that hides on the other side too. One of our main issues, I think, is the deformation right here. Right here around these coolant passages where the seals have just gone for a walk and never came back. So the intake gasket actually has guides built into it for the push rods. So we actually have to remove the rocker arms on both sides, remove the push rods to replace the gaskets. So we're going to get into that. We'll replace the new gaskets. We also have to replace these valley gaskets down here. All trying to keep it clean, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we can remove this gasket. It's pretty bad. One gasket, 2 gaskets, and here we have the valley gaskets. Now we apply some RTV again to the corners here where the gaskets meet. Now we need to torque the intake in sequence, starting with 13 Newton meters in this pattern. I've already gone ahead and cleaned up the valve covers. Got them looking spiffy. Just they're pretty grubby and I wanted to keep them clean. Just going to double check, make sure this mating surface is nice and clean back here. Well, that didn't go as planned. Looks like we got another head gasket issue.